Hello, I'm Ben from Martech Marine, one of the regional sales managers here, and I just wanted to invite you all to the webinar that I'll be hosting at the end of this month on the 28th of August. Now, the whole purpose of this is just to give a little bit of training and a live demonstration about DrinkSafe and our sewage effluent kits. Now, in this, we'll have a live Q&A, and I'll also be showing you a number of the tests that you can actually do on board. Now, this will be including things like Legionella, it will be including things like pH, chlorine, E. coli and coliforms, as well as the sewage effluent testing kits. So this webinar is actually going to be limited to 50 places, so if you want to get involved and you want to learn a little bit more about DrinkSafe and how to make sure your crew are safe, click the link below and sign up. See you all later.